mean, I saw that. I have eyes. I did see that. Damn, the full size is 90 doll hairs. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For today's video I have my February Glossybox unboxing. This is what the box looks like this month. It's a little different, so I'm really excited to see what's in here. If you don't know, Glossybox is a beauty subscription box that costs $21 a month, and I absolutely love Glossybox because they feature a lot of brands that I don't really like hear talked about that often, and I haven't tried myself. So I'm always really excited to unbox these for you guys, and yeah, if you're new here, I hope you'll subscribe and let's get into it. So like I said, Glossybox is $21 a month, but you can use my discount code, which I'll have up on the screen, and I forget what the discount is, but you'll get it discounted, I promise. It is a commission-based code, so I will receive a small commission if you do use my code. I would greatly appreciate it. But this is what the box looks like this month, and let's see. Okay, let's open this. The theme is timeless treats. Okay, cool. So you always get a little pamphlet that tells you what you get inside. Okay, so the first thing I see here is the Ecos Maru. I don't know how to say that. Maru.
That's true.
Restoring shampoo and conditioner. So this runs for, this is a deluxe size for $4.70. The full size is $47, and this is a shampoo and conditioner. Like I said, this says remove impurities and restore your hair to its natural shine with this duo. The shampoo forms a creamy foam that cleans, hydrates, and prevents breakage, while the conditioner is made with Brazilian Maru butter, and it protects and softens the strands. It's cruelty-free and vegan. Cool. That's interesting. I've never heard of this brand. Like I said, you get a ton of brands that you've never tried before. So the deluxe size is 30 milliliters, so it gives you a chance to try it out in case you want to try and get the bigger size, which is really cool. So I actually am really satisfied with my Olaplex, so I will be throwing this in a giveaway probably at some point. I do giveaways sporadically on my channel. If you're interested, you can always just check out my videos because it's kind of random whenever I do them. We have a nail polish, which I will also be throwing in a giveaway because, as you can see, I get my nails done professionally. I use colored acrylic with my nail tech. So this is the AIA Beauty nail lacquer. This is back to black. Oh, this is a black nail polish. I mean, I saw that. I have eyes. I did see that. This is a crisp, clean, bold, classic black. Complete your look with the perfect nail lacquer made with a formula that applies like a dream. Your nails deserve to look fresh and pretty. This is $16, and this is a full size, obviously. So I will also be throwing this in a giveaway, but it looks really, really pretty, and I love a black nail moment. I really do. Up next, we have the Verso Skincare. This is the nourishing cream with niacinamide. Cool. So this says get long-lasting hydration with well-balanced skin with this intensive cream containing niacinamide and ceramides. This cream will improve your skin's natural protection, making it look soft, supple, and smooth. I'm actually running out of moisturizer, so I'm going to be keeping this, and I will keep you guys updated on how this works out. I have really, really dry skin. My skin really loves niacinamide though, so I'm really excited for this. This is a deluxe size for $27. Damn, the full size is 90 doll hairs. $90 hairs. This is 15 milliliters and the full size is 50 milliliters. Okay, cool. I hope I don't love it because I'm not spending $9 on a moisturizer. Holy moly, that's expensive.
That's expensive.
Next, we have the Cab Cosmetics Sweetheart Lipstick. Ooh, this is something we can unbox. A lot of times, Glossybox is more of a like skincare box, but sometimes we do get some lipsticks or some like cosmetics, like makeup. I can know how to say words.
You know what I'm saying?
This is $18. It's a full size. This says finish your makeup look by adding some lovely subtle color to your lips. The creamy formula and long-lasting pigment will keep your lips pretty and hydrated all day and all night. You won't have to worry about wiping your lipstick off your teeth. Cool. That's a pretty shade. Look at that. I think that's gonna be so pretty for spring. I actually really like a shade like this. Oh, it's not so intensely pigmented, which I actually really like in something like this. Oh man, I think that's gonna be so pretty. I'm gonna try this out and I will let you guys know. Oh my gosh, I might do like a spring makeup look and feature this shade, and it's really, really pretty. It's expensive for a lipstick though, let me tell you. I think everything's expensive though. Okay, next we have the Vita Liberata. Ooh, I have actually heard of this brand. This is a gradual self tanning lotion. This is a deluxe size worth $5. It's 50 milliliters. The full size is $20. That's actually comparable to the one that I use. I actually am wearing one right now. I have to reapply it today, but I'm running out of it. I use the Bondi Sands Gradual Self Tanning Milk, but this is So awesome. Who says you can only be tanned and glowing in the summer? This self-tanning lotion is the perfect solution to getting that summer glow in the winter. Stay hydrated and build a gradual, natural-looking tan with this gentle formula made with hyaluronic acid for extra moisture. I am going to try this ASAP. That sounds amazing. I love a gradual self-tan. I love it more than a normal self-tan because like I always look botched after a self-tan, so it really sucks. But I love that. I'm excited. I will keep you guys updated and let you guys know how I like that. And then the last thing we have here is the Dragon's Blood Eye Mask from Rodial Beauty. Rodial? I think so. This says gently hydrate your under eyes and rejuvenate your appearance with Rodial's unique Dragon Blood Complex. This mask contains hyaluronic acid to prolong moisture retention, while arnica extract reduces puffiness and dark circles for a more awakened look. This is $6. Ooh, I like that a lot. I love these little eye masks, especially if I'm getting ready for a night out or something. I want to like depuff and just hydrate. Ooh. I'm excited. I need that so badly. I'm gonna try this next time I have a little date night. Okay, let me go ahead and add up all these items. So the total value of this box was $76. Wow. And I think that's amazing considering you only pay $21 a month. So you get well over the value of what you pay for. And I think that's amazing because you get to try all these different brands that you've never heard of. I've literally only heard of Vita Liberata. Anyway, I'm most excited about that. I really am excited about the lipstick. I really need a moisturizer. And yeah, the eye patches, the eye masks, super cute. Excited for that as well. These two will be going... dropping everything. These two will be going in an upcoming giveaway, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, okay, that's everything. I am so happy with this month's Glossy box. Let me know if you subscribe to Glossybox and what you got in your box because I would love to know. And yeah, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. What did I do here? Why am I like this? NCIS, yeah. A lot of these. Okay, so this gently hydrate your under eyes.